The first comprehensive database of its kind, HeinOnline's Immigration Law and Policy in the U.S., compiles the most important historical documents and legislation related to immigration in the United States. This unique database offers both current and historical content, including reports on immigration-related federal programs from the Government Accountability Office, as well as related Congressional Research Service reports. Peruse notable classic titles covering more than 200 years of immigration law and policy. Locate extradition content including treaties, judicial assistance agreements, and more. Discover books and scholarly articles relating to immigration law and extradition. Explore digital coverage of Title VIII, Aliens and Nationality, of both the Code of Federal Regulations and the U.S. Code. And read through relevant congressional hearings. Also included are acts and legislative histories. Quickly pull up a related act or compiled legislative history by publication title, public law number, or popular name. Select the More Information link to retrieve bibliographic information for an act, including legislative histories, a link to the act, related books and scholarly articles. What's more, this collection includes Board of Immigration Appeals precedent decisions. Find the most up-to-date opinions and decisions of the U.S. Department of Justice concerning U.S. immigration policy and practice. It includes all opinions and orders of the Attorney General, Board of Immigration Appeals, and the Commissioner of Immigration and Naturalization Service. Browse through various topics listed within the A to Z index, or use the Quick Finder tool to pull up a BIA precedent decision by its number. This database also includes a handy visualization tool. Use the Venn diagram search to visualize your results when searching for multiple terms. This tool illustrates the various combinations of your terms and their respective results. The original search combining all three terms will appear by default. Select another intersection to see other combination results. For more help, use our dedicated LibGuide to learn searching tips and tricks, or to enhance your research outside of HeinOnline with our curated list of additional resources. Explore various blog posts to see how our HeinOnline bloggers have utilized this database to research important issues relating to immigration. Contact us today to find out how you can subscribe to this database. Our representatives are standing by, ready to start your subscription access via IP address or remote proxy server. If your institution already subscribes, check out our help resources and social media for more great overview, tips, and tricks.